तो ये क्वेश्चन हूँ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री क्लास 10 गोटे इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ओके, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -310 and 6 -8 is divided by -1 6. Find the ratio. We have to find out the ratio. So there are 2 points given, 6 -8 and -1 6. So the diagram should be this, like just like this. This is -310 set at A, and this is B 6 -8, and there is another point. This point is divide this line. This point is dividing the line. So let this point be C. The coordinate of C is -1 6. We have to find out the ratio. What is this ratio and what is this ratio? Let this ratio be M and this ratio be N. We are going to solving this problem in two ways, that is M is to N and K is to 1. Okay, now first method M is to N. We know that the formula of, let this is be xy. So the formula of x equal to, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. The formula of x coordinate, the dividing point xy, x coordinate is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and the ratio of y coordinate equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, now by putting the values, x equal to, here x equal to -1, so m into x2 6 plus n into x1 -3 divided by m plus n implies x का वैल्यू है -1. ओके, तो 6m -3n बाई m प्लस n इम्प्लाइज, क्रॉस करने से -m -n इक्वल्स टू 6m -3n इम्प्लाइज -m -6m -n plus 2n equals to 0 implies -7m -3n -n plus 3n -2n equal to 0 implies -7m equals to -2n, multiplying by minus both sides implies 7m equals to 2n. Therefore m by n equal to 2 by 7. Here n is multiplicated, so that here divided, here 7 is multiplicated, so in raises it is divided. Therefore m is to n, therefore m is to n equals to 2 is to 7. Again in this case we have to find the answer, is it exactly correct or wrong. Okay, now y coordinate, here the y coordinate is 6 equals to m into y2 y2 minus 8 plus n into y1 10 divided by m plus n implies 6m plus 6n equals to -8m plus 10n implies 6m plus 8m plus 6n minus 10n equals to 0. Then implies 6m plus 8m 14m minus 6n minus plus 6n minus 10n minus 4n equals to 0 implies 14m equals to 4n implies m by n equals to 4 by 14, that is 2 by 7. Therefore here also m is to n equals to 2 is to 7. So in the exam we have to find out any one of the formula, either x coordinate or y coordinate. This is the formula for m is to n. Now we can take this case by k is to 1, solve this problem by k is to 1. Okay, by k is to 1 formula, how this is equal to k is to 1, let m is to n, that means implies m by n is to 1. Let if m by n equal to k, therefore this equation becomes k is to 1. Okay, so formula of k is to 1, x coordinate equals to kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, y coordinate equal to ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1, implies x coordinate minus 1 equals to k into x2 6 plus x1 minus 3 divided by k plus 1, implies minus k minus 1 equals to 6k minus 3, implies 6k plus k equals to minus 1 plus 3, implies 7k equals to 2, implies k equals to 2 by 7, that is 2 by 7 is to 1 or 2 is to 7. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us check y coordinate. Y coordinate equal to 6 equals to k into y2, this is minus 8, plus y1, this is 10, divided by k plus 1, implies by cross 6k plus 6 equals to minus 8k plus 10, implies 6k minus 8k when come to LHS, that is minus 6k plus 8k 14k equals to 10 minus 6 4, implies k equals to 4 by 14, the same answer, implies k equals to 2 by 7. Here also the answer becomes, therefore ratio will be 2 is to 7. We see here in all the cases, in the 4 cases, the ratio will be same if we can take m is to n or we can take k is to 1. Okay, so here is the answer. Now we can write another question of 1 is to 1.